Ever wondered how to navigate the dynamic world of cryptocurrency investment? Welcome to Easy Life 98. Today, we're plunging into the fascinating realm of cryptocurrency investment. Whether you're a fledgling investor or a seasoned enthusiast, understanding how to steer through this volatile market is paramount. In this video, we're going to demystify key strategies, tips, and the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Imagine cryptocurrencies as digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and operate on decentralized networks. A brief look into the history and growth of the crypto market reveals an industry that has revolutionized financial transactions. Cryptocurrencies come in many forms, and they're not all created equal. Beyond Bitcoin, there's a whole universe of cryptocurrencies including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. It's crucial to understand the differences between utility tokens, security tokens, and stablecoins. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be rewarding. The potential for high returns and the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies are some of the benefits. Plus, the market is always open, making it accessible to everyone. However, where there's potential for high returns, there's also a risk. The cryptocurrency market is notorious for its volatility and significant price fluctuations. Regulatory uncertainties, security concerns, and the risk of scams or fraudulent schemes are some of the challenges you might face. Developing a solid investment strategy can help you weather these storms. You might consider hodling, which is a long-term holding strategy, day trading, or swing trading. Regardless of your strategy, remember the importance of research, diversification, and risk management. To get started with cryptocurrency investment, you need to choose a reliable exchange, set up a digital wallet, and understand market trends. There are numerous resources available for further learning and staying updated on the market. Understanding market trends is an essential part of cryptocurrency investment. Key market indicators and factors influencing cryptocurrency prices include market sentiment, technological advancements, and regulatory news. Cryptocurrency investment is a realm filled with immense potential, but it's crucial to approach it with caution and knowledge. By understanding the risks, implementing strategies, and staying informed, you can navigate this exciting market effectively. Thank you for lending your ears to this session. If you found this video helpful, a thumbs up would be appreciated. Spread the knowledge by sharing this video, and to stay tuned for more insights on Easy Life 98, hit that subscribe button.